Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Here it is, Monday Mask Day. And today I'm actually joining a collab with the Monday Mask Ladies. Did I say that right? Or Mask Monday Ladies. Yeah, one of those. Anyway, so today I will be using this mask here that was sent to me from the Opinionated Horsewoman, Stephanie. So if you're interested in seeing, and also I have a little bit of a package opening, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. Here it is. It's Monday, and it is a Mask Monday, right? I usually do Skincare Monday, but I think this qualifies as skincare. And matter of fact, I'm going to link Stephanie's channel below. I want you to check her out because she has some really good information, and she does Mask Mondays as well, along with a bunch of other ladies. And also you can watch the friend mail with Stephanie, and she is known as the Opinionated Horsewoman, okay? And so, but I'm going to go ahead and link her below. And I didn't mention that yesterday when I did friend mail, but I did link it below. So if you want to see that one, please do watch it, and it was fun. And actually that was my very first friend mail ever, so that was kind of exciting for me and very, heart touching. So yeah, so today what I want to do is this is one of the ones that came in her package in the friend mail, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And then I have one box to open, and this is from Twice. Do you remember that? Twice, my favorite toothpaste. Guess what? I got more. I got like this kit they had because it really works, guys. So anyway, before I go on and on about that, let's get this mask. And this is actually a avocado collagen mask, and it nourishes, it refreshes, and it vitalizes. And one good thing about avocado is it is full of nutrients, and it's full of fatty acids that are really good for you, including the omega fatty acids. So instead of me trying, it tears okay. Usually I have to cut it open because, I can't get it to open. You know me and things I gotta open, right? I have troubles. Okay, it just pulls right off. And then let's see what this looks like. Okay, it's got no scent. Very, very faint. Does it even have a scent? I can't smell it. But anyway, let me show you what it looks like on the inside. It's more of a creamy texture instead of a, the sappy texture. So this is good. I like that because I really need, when you make YouTube videos and you're putting on makeup, taking off makeup, and you're doing all kinds of things to your face, it's really nice, to put on a mask and just relax. That is so, I love it. Anyway, so, okay, let's see. Here we go. And it looks like this is going to be tricky. I got to make sure I get the nose piece down. Otherwise, I'm not going to get it on my nose, but I want my eyepiece to be like this. So, you know what? I think it goes this way maybe. Does it matter? I don't know. I just want to make sure that I can see, but I want to cover what I need to cover. Let's come down with the nose piece because I want my nose to be covered, but I don't want my eyes to be covered. Here we go. And another thing too, have you noticed my headband? This is a new one. This is actually from the Creme Shop, and this is Queen Poppy of the Trolls. I don't know if you know that, Trolls. I love Trolls. And when my daughter was little, she used to collect the troll dolls. Well, my mother used to collect it for her. And actually, my mother used to call them uglies. Because they're kind of ugly, with the little hair and all that. But yeah, she used to collect them for my daughter, and I still have them. I still have a couple of them that are like nursing trolls on my desk at work. And so, yeah. That's that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera real quick and put the silicone on because I usually struggle with it, and I don't want you guys to have to watch me struggle, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and as you know, I like using this silicone because it keeps the mask on, and I can actually open my mouth and talk. A lot of people go like this, and they're talking through the whole video like this, and I don't want to do that, and I love this. And another thing it does is that it's actually very tight, and it adheres to my skin, and it forces the mask to actually stick very nicely to my face. And also, and the plus about this is when I take off my mask is warm because the silicone mask actually traps warmth, right? And so at the same time, when your skin is warm, what happens? Things open up. And so it opens up the pores a little bit and allows the serums to really be absorbed by the skin. And so, yeah, I really like this. And they're on Amazon. They're very inexpensive. I got 2 of them in a packet. And there's one is white and one is just slightly pink. And it's actually really good, especially if you like doing masks. And if you're walking around, you can't do mask and walk around the house. Unless you're doing something like this. Then you can walk around the house just fine. Okay? So, yeah, just wanted to get that piece. Well, anyway, I wanted to go ahead and open this package. As I was starting to say, this is the Twice, the toothpaste, and the one that I swear by because to this day it's still working. I'm able to eat things that are cold. I'm able to enjoy my Frappuccinos again. I'm able to, have ice in my mouth. And there's no way before I discovered this toothpaste that I could do that. And I know it sounds miraculous and you're like, okay, but it's toothpaste and it's natural toothpaste. It doesn't have anything special in it. But I don't know how it works, guys. I really don't because it doesn't have anything in it that would make me think that, okay, that's it. Other than the natural, maybe the mixture of different things. So, yeah. And so I just opened the package and just threw away the paper there. And here's what's in here. And I actually, this bag comes with the kit. And it was actually not that expensive. And here it is. And just like a shaving kit. It says think twice, smile more. And I really, really like this company. And when you first subscribe or purchase anything, they send you like a little pamphlet telling you about the company. And there's a dentist on the team. And, this is Lenny Kravitz's, collaboration, I don't know, partnership with 2 other people. One is a dentist, and they actually care for people like that are underprivileged, and they do teeth work. And it's so nice. There's pictures of before what they look like and after, and they just do really good work. And they use their funds for the right things, and I really like it. And aside from that, it's just so amazing how good this toothpaste is. And I don't know how to explain it to you guys because seriously, it tastes good. It tastes like it's full of sugar because it tastes like peppermint candy, like those candy canes. And this one is cooling spearmint eucalyptus, whitens teeth, prevents cavities, relieves sensitivities, and gum health. And it does relieve sensitivity. And and it does whiten my teeth. Well, my teeth, I drink a lot of coffee and I drink a lot of tea, so I really need that. And so here, it's proven science, fluoride for cavity prevention, and potassium nitrate for sensitivity. Maybe that's what it is, potassium nitrate. I never thought of that. Okay. And it's vitamin enriched. It's got vitamin A, C, and E, and aloe vera to help soothe and hydrate the gums. And it whitens naturally, effective for whitening when used twice a day. And also dentist approved, formulated and loved by a whole class of oral health experts. And it has no harsh ingredients in there. Always made clean, never made with SLS, sulfates, parabens, or artificial dyes. So this is really good stuff. And I really do like it. It does, you know what? The active ingredient is potassium nitrate, 5%. So I can see where that could work. Huh. Okay, and it has all of the information on the side here, as you notice, what it doesn't have and what it is. And now I know why it's called Twice. I was wondering why they called the company Twice. I get it. You brush your teeth twice a day. Duh, you guys probably had that from the first time I ever said twice. But yeah, and so anyway, I got this flavor and I got the calming vanilla lavender mint. This one's really good. I really love this one. This one tastes so good. I know, it's like I'm going to eat it. No, I'm brushing my teeth with it, but it's really nice. It's calming vanilla lavender mint. It's not harsh, you know, like a lot of the toothpaste are really harsh. I don't like that. So it's almost like a child's toothpaste. I don't know if you remember getting banana flavored toothpaste and all that as a child to get you, encourage you to brush your teeth. It's like that. It tastes good. And this one here is invigorating wintergreen and peppermint. And I think this is the one I have open right now. And yeah, and actually it tastes like candy cane. Yeah, so yep, that's that. So anyhow, I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you while I had the mask on. And of course, I forgot to set my timer. Well, that's not good. So I think that's about 5 minutes, right? So I'm going to go ahead and set the timer for another 5 minutes because it takes 10 minutes for the mask. And so I'm going to go ahead and speed up the time, or I'm going to go ahead and since I did open it, I'll be back when the time is up. And that way you can do whatever you need to do and then you won't even know that I was gone. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, time is up. And so I'm going to go ahead and take off the mask. And I'm going to go ahead and take the silicone piece off first. Oh, and I can feel the warmth of the mask here. And oops. Okay, here we go. Whew. And it does, ooh, it feels really nice. And what I like to do is just like take a few minutes actually and just sit here and like really enjoy the mask and what it does and kind of really think about life. So anyway, yeah, I mean, this does feel good. And I think, when you do like Mask Mondays, I mean, you should also have something else along with it. Like, I don't know. I mean, Modern Thought Monday. I don't know. Whatever it is. But, I mean, I really take the time and while you're enjoying your skin being like nice and nourished and revitalized and, revitalize your brain and your thoughts and your soul, just be happy and really enjoy that and be thankful. I mean, really think about it. I mean, being able to do a mask on a Monday night or Monday afternoon, whenever you do them, I mean, it takes, it takes a certain set of circumstances that allows you to do that. I mean, you couldn't do this if you didn't have running water, you don't have electricity, you live in a mud, in a mud hut, and I mean, think about it. Think about how fortunate we are being in the first world and, how we take that for granted at times. So, people who, I mean, have nothing like this, I mean, who live in a third world, I mean, they can't imagine what a Monday mask or Mask Mondays are like, right? And so I usually like to take times like this and really think about what I'm doing and how I'm feeling and really think about how fortunate I really am to be in this position. And I'm really fortunate to have friends and I'm really fortunate to have people that care, okay? And so that really made me think about that. When, especially when practically a stranger like Stephanie reached out and say, hey, do you want to join us? Let's do a collab. So yeah, I mean, I really think about those things and I know I'm really mentioning that a lot, but I'm really thankful. This is a reason why. And this is really important, especially this time, even though I'm thankful 365, 24/7, at least I try to be. But this is the beginning of Ramadan for us. And Ramadan is really, it's a month of really contemplating and being thankful for what we have and really praying and thanking, for what we're given, even things that we don't think are necessarily great for us, but find out 10 years down the line, if that didn't happen, I wouldn't be where I am today, right? And so it's a lot of contemplation and a lot of thinking about it. So, especially I'm starting out this time of year for me as a Muslim, it makes me especially thankful. It makes me especially filled with gratitude. And we fast during the sun up time. And that's only sun up. Imagine people who don't have water and food, I mean, on a regular basis. Here we have to do without water, food, anything, zero from when the sun comes, right before when the sun comes up until the sun sets. And we're struggling. And there's people out there who struggle to find clean water, that struggle, to find food on a daily basis. And so, yeah, really, really thinking about that. So how did all this come about from a, Mask Monday? I don't know. But, you know, it's one of those things that I contemplate and I think about, okay? So, anyway, okay, let's uplift ourselves. Anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for coming back and watching me. And I believe, yes, I am launching a giveaway, so be on the lookout for it because there is 550 plus subscribers now. So in the next couple of days, you will see a giveaway go up. I believe it may be tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, and if you enjoyed today's Monday Mask and please give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and you're out there watching and you enjoy the content, please do consider subscribing and ring that bell button and scoot over a little more and select all so that way you know when I upload a video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I'm so grateful to you and I'm thankful that you are out there and I'm thankful that you're watching and that you really care. So, I want you to have a good day, good night, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this, doesn't matter. What does matter is that you remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.